Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Optima Hybrid X. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 154 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display and driver memory seats. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.